Previous tour, I showed you the detached home. Now it's time for a semi-detached, available for sale directly through the builder. This is going to be a quick tour, so if you have any questions or if you'd like to find out more, make sure to reach out. Let's go inside. Now we're inside. Check out this high ceiling, lots of pot lights, beautiful color hardwood floors, finished basement here, and retro looking tiles and there are 2 levels on this floor. We have the main floor here where you have the living room, breakfast area, and then there's a separate family room on that other level. Check out this stunning kitchen. Again, we have 2 color cabinets here, stainless steel appliances, beautiful island here for your cooking and preparation, lots of windows, very nice deck. I'm going to take you to the second floor family room. Check out this family room, separated from rest of the house, beautiful fireplace, and it's connected to the main and second floor. Welcome to the primary room where there are unique features such as Juliet balcony here, which is very nice to enjoy your views. And then we have a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. Head towards the basement. We have entrance from the garage here. I really love that Countrywide took the time and spent the money in finishing the basements. Here we have laundry room, furnace room, and full bathroom here. And best of all, this is a walkout basement, so if you're thinking about having a separate room here, you have the ability to have access to the backyard. I hope you've enjoyed the tours. If you have any questions or if you would like to come and visit these homes, make sure to contact me for a private viewing.